Before replacing your Rheem water heater drain valve, you need to identify which type you currently have. This determines the removal approach and replacement part needed. Safety is critical before starting any water heater work. You must turn off both the power or gas supply and the water supply to prevent accidents and allow proper draining. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve and direct it to a suitable drain location. Open the valve to completely drain the tank. This prevents water spillage during valve removal. Once the tank is drained and cooled, disconnect the hose and use a pipe wrench to remove the old valve. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew it. Be prepared for some residual water to spill out. After removing the old valve, clean the threads on the tank opening thoroughly. Remove any old sealant, debris, or corrosion to ensure a proper seal for the new valve installation. You have now successfully identified your valve type, safely prepared your water heater, drained the tank, and removed the old drain valve. The threads are clean and ready for the new valve installation. Start by wrapping the threads of your new drain valve with Teflon tape. This creates a watertight seal that prevents leaks. Thread the new valve into the tank opening by turning it clockwise. Always start by hand to avoid cross-threading, which can damage the tank threads. Once hand tight, use a pipe wrench for the final tightening. Turn only an additional quarter to half turn. Over-tightening is the most common mistake and can crack the tank threads, leading to expensive repairs. After installation, test the valve by opening and closing it several times. The operation should be smooth without binding or excessive force required. To prevent future problems, operate your drain valve annually to flush out sediment buildup. In areas with high mineral content, perform this maintenance quarterly and consider installing a water softener to extend the valve's lifespan. Following these installation and maintenance steps will ensure your new Rheem drain valve provides years of reliable service. Remember, proper installation prevents costly repairs, and regular maintenance prevents valve failure.